So how do you connect Obsidian to your own Google Drive account? So in order to connect your Obsidian project or your account to your Google Drive, you need to go first and log into your Obsidian account or install it on your Windows if you don't have it yet. You can also have it on your mobile device. Then you want to go ahead and you need to set up a Google Drive. So according to the official Obsidian Health documentation, you need to go and open your Windows and download the Google Drive app and sign into your account. Or for Android, you need to make sure that Google Drive is enabled and signed in. Then you want to create a new vault in Google Drive. So for Windows and Mac, simply just open a file explorer and then navigate to Google Drive. You want to create a new folder called an Obsidian Vault. Then you want to open Obsidian and then go ahead and create a new vault and select the Google Drive folder. You just go to your account right here and go to your Google Drive folder. Then you want to open the vault on another device by simply opening Obsidian, go to the vault switcher and select open folder as vault and just navigate to your Google Drive folder. And for best practices, make sure to set your vault files to available offline in the Google Drive to avoid syncing issues due to offloading. And that's how you can basically connect Obsidian to your Google Drive. If you liked this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.